Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, June 15th, and we've got more showers and thunderstorms and temperatures quite warm into the 80s right on through Sunday, and then it looks like a cooler weather pattern. A little bit of dry air moves in for early next week, maybe into Wednesday with highs in the 70s. And again, between now and then though, it looks like we could see another 1 to 2 inches of rain throughout the area here over the next 4 days or so. And again, the chance of severe thunderstorms will be possible again, I think, as we get into Saturday. It looks like a slight to a moderate risk. And then if we look at the extended outlook, you can see a little bit cooler than normal as we go into a troughing pattern, and then we'll emerge out of that with a transitional progressive pattern that'll allow us to see above normal precipitation, or at least normal precipitation, here over the next couple of weeks. So plenty of moisture is on the way here. And if we look at some of the extreme moisture yesterday, this is down around the Blissfield area, and places they're recording up to 3 to 4 inches of rain, causing some flooding conditions across some of the areas. And if we look at some Doppler radar estimates, you can see this is that area that picked up that very heavy rainfall yesterday and last night in the Isabella County area around Mount Pleasant, Rosebush. I was up there in Mount Pleasant and it was just absolutely downpouring. Lots of lightning in the air. You can see up to 3 inches of rain fell there, with heavy rains extending back to the northwest into Wisconsin and the UP. So again, most areas getting quite a bit of rain. You can see the areas that really kind of missed out on it over here in the Thumb area and in southwest Ontario. You should get your chances here coming up as well over the next couple of days. You can see the soil temperatures this morning, again, quite warm in the 70s. Breckenridge picking up 0.06 of an inch since midnight. We actually picked up a total of about 0.4 of an inch of rain out of this system here last night. Temperatures this morning in the upper 60s, so again, pretty warm start to the day. And some of the areas picking up rain. Middleton picked up about 1/3 of an inch, along with Clarksville, Breckenridge 0.4, and about 1/4 of an inch over in Owego, with much lesser amounts as you head to the south and to the east, 1,500s at Lansing. But again, so there were pockets even in some of these areas where that seen significantly more rain than what our stations showed here. And again, it was quite spotty. You can see this morning's radar some leftover showers this morning, most of the activity off to the south, but we'll see more activity develop later this afternoon and tonight across much of the Great Lakes. And so again, we should have a chance of more thunderstorms later on today once we begin to build some of that heat and instability up. You can see on the weather map this morning, low pressure system, that'll be moving to the northeast. That'll bring another slug of moisture into the area. Warm front now extending across parts of southern lower Michigan. Cold front off to the west. Again, this will be weakening, but that'll provide trigger points for some of these storms to develop later on today. And then as we get into tomorrow, that storm slowly moving off to the northeast. Again, more severe weather off to our southwest. And again, this front here will try to return back to the north as a warm front as we get into Saturday, and it'll be well off to our north. And then again, this low pressure system creeping ever so close. And I think our best chance of rain is going to be Saturday afternoon, Saturday night into Sunday morning. And again, I think that's where the bulk of our precipitation is going to come here over the next 7 days. And in that time period, we could see well over an inch of rain, again, Saturday late into Sunday morning. If we look at the precipitation expected here over the next 7 days, you can see quite a bit of rainfall expected over all of the Great Lakes, with the entire state of Michigan expecting well over an inch of rain, and a large area of central and southern lower Michigan expected we could see another 2 inches or more of rain. So again, lots more moisture heading this way. As far as the severe weather outlook, this would be for the day for day 1, southeast lower Michigan, southwest Ontario. We go into day 2, a moderate risk creeps up into, this is day 3, creeps up into lower Michigan. And again, we'll have to watch this slight risk may have to be extended north. That'll be a pretty good cold front that's going to be crashing into the area as we get later in the weekend. As far as the forecast here, you can see plenty of 80s right on through Saturday and into the low to 80s even on Sunday, and then we drop into the 70s. Again, quite a bit of opportunities for thunderstorms. It's not going to be raining all the time. In fact, much of the time it'll be dry. But again, especially in the afternoon and into the nighttime hours over the next couple of days, pretty good chances for more showers and thunderstorms throughout the state. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.